Ong'ata Rongai Police Station, as we are here, doesn't have any police vehicle in operation. All the police vehicles were vandalized by goons. These police vehicles are not for police officers. These police vehicles are for the citizens of this place and anybody visiting around here. If a distress call is called to the police now from this place, they have no vehicles to go and respond to the distress call. Shadrach Wamboi and us, we will not condone hooliganism that will come to destroy the good relationship between the police of Ong'ata Rongai Police Station and the public. It is very, very, very sad. And we have discussed with the officers here, as a patron of Ong'ata Rongai, or as a patron of Sheria Mtaani, we shall chip in to repair those vehicles to allow the citizens of this place access justice.